My name is Ingars Jaunzems. I'm Managing Director of company Lesjöfors here in Latvia. Lesjöfors is a company who is manufacturing different components like springs or stamping products and also gas springs as one of the major projects. And we are working here in Latvia, in Liepāja, already 17 years. And at the moment have been developed into the new rooms. This year we opened the new factory here in Latvia. And at the moment continuing development of our business here in our Baltic states. Company Lesjöfors is quite an old company. Started in Sweden 1852, so it's more than 160 years ago. And their major project in the beginning was spring manufacturing. It's still active until nowadays as well. Here in Latvia we're doing all kind of springs up to 12 millimeters wire size, all kind of stamping projects up to 4 millimeters of material thickness, and we have all kind of gas springs that is available in the market. So we manufacture all kind of gas springs. Here in Latvia at the moment we are working around 150 employees. Working with different nationalities, with different colleagues between it's an international company with different businesses worldwide. We supply the products in different countries. The major market is Scandinavian countries because that's absolutely good by the transportation and logistics. But we have also big customers in different other countries in Europe. Germany is one of the major businesses. And of course, we also supply to outside Europe, to United States, Brazil, China, India. It's a big company with a lot of activities in different industries. The components, springs and stampings is actually in every product that we are daily using. Either it's a mobile phone or television or any plug socket for the electricity. So it contains some kind of component of steel parts inside. Every user in the world is using something which is manufactured in Lesjöfors. If we are looking on some general customers here in Latvia, then it's a lot of well-known names. As the company Lesjöfors is so long in history, so we are working actually with all the different brand names. And it's assembled in practice most of the European cars, in most of the different other products like Husqvarna or Stihl. It's even assembled in Lamborghini. So it's a different production which is quite well in different areas located.